temperatures near freezing now, especially at night, so it's time to blow out our sprinkler system. And we're gonna do it ourselves this time because we want to save some cost. To blow out the remaining water from the pipes, you need the compressor and you need a hose for it, and some tools. You need this connector, this one, and the tool to unscrew the pipe. So we're connecting the compressor to the power, and then we're gonna connect the hose for the compressor to the water pipe that goes to the line that goes underground to the sprinklers.
Yep.
Okay, so we connected the hose to the water line. Now the next step is to turn on the compressor, and we need to go at least to 60 psi because we have rigid pipes underground. So from about 60 to 80 is a normal pressure. And once the compressor has the pressure, we will turn on this control. And we'll switch each zone at a time, give it a couple of minutes for each to blow out the water from the pipe. Pressure is on, we're starting to switch to the first zone. So you will hear the hissing sound because the water is coming out with the air, which is normal. So wait until the water stops and it's just the air coming out, and then you turn it down to the next one. Here comes the second zone. Switching to the third zone, and we're not going to show all of them. We have 16 zones, so we'll do each of them, and then we'll come back and do the second round of each of them because some of the water may be pushed into other zones when it's pressurized. So we'll do the full circle twice for each zone. Okay, we're done with the blowing the water, and we disconnected the compressor. Now the last step, don't forget to shut down the water and disconnect all the pipes, and then we're gonna put the cup on the water line to protect it from cracking in the winter. This is the insulation cup to keep this metal pipe warm. Nice.